Hi everybody, it's Mr. Luttinger, and today we're going to learn how to make an email signature. If you're wondering what that is, take a look at mine. Whenever I create a new email, it automatically adds my name, the grade I teach, my building, and a quote at the bottom in a way that looks professional to close my email. I'm going to teach you how to do the same thing. First, click the Settings button up in the top of Gmail. Then click See All Settings. Scroll down a little bit and you will find the signature bar. You will need to hit Create New to make a new signature. And I'm going to name mine Demo Signature. It'll give you a text box over here on the right. And what I would do is start off by adding some lines on the keyboard. Putting my name in bold should come next. Then I'm going to unbold, put my building so you know where to find me. And then after that, it's up to you what you'd like to put. If you're a student, I recommend putting your schedule. For example, I'm a French teacher. Maybe you want to put that you have Mr. Luttinger on BD days, block 1. Maybe you'd like to put your homeroom so I know where to return your Chromebook if you lose it. Maybe you'd like to put a quote. Maybe you'd like to include a picture. What you do with the bottom of your signature is up to you. Once you are done with that, make sure you look down here where it says for new emails use, and I have to make sure to set it to the signature that I made. If you don't change these two settings right below the signature, it will never apply, and we will do this for nothing. When that's all done, click all the way to the bottom and hit Save Changes. And if you want to know if it worked, open up a new email and see if it loaded up. As you can see, it did. That's all there is to it. Hope that helped. Goodbye.